Good afternoon, this is Jatinder Singh Narula. Today on 22nd of September 2023, I am in Makrana area of Rajasthan. Makrana is famous for marble quarries, and in any marble quarry, before you reach the marble, you have to dig almost 50 feet to remove the overburden. Overburden also has lot of big stones which are not marble, but this stone is rich in calcium, and in its finished form it is needed in medicine factories, talcum powder and other related products. Behind me is our JCB3DX Backhoe Loader fitted with a JCB 435A hammer, and it is breaking these overburden rocks. I am not going near because then you will not be able to hear my commentary. There is another video which is shot from near, and you can see the hammer working.